How to get views on your short videos. Check this one. It's 6 hours and I'm having 1.2k views in less than 2 hours. Secret YouTubers won't tell you. I'm going to tell you today. Let's go to our YouTube. After that, click on that plus button. Click on Shorts. Then choose your video. After choosing your video, let me choose this video, for example, and press done. Let's wait. After that, let's press OK. Then next to next, please. Yeah. You have to write a caption that is very catchy. So your video, people will see it and they will click it. People will click it. Let me just put it like this. This is Offset and Cardi B. This is Offset and Cardi B. After that, you will see there are some hashtag here. Just press. Make sure you write this hashtag. This hashtag are very important when posting your short. Without this hashtag, you can't get viral at all. Just press that viral, YouTube content, new video, YouTube, trending, and YouTube guru. These hashtags are very important. Make sure you put this hashtag whenever you want to post your shorts. Just post this hashtag. You will get viral. All of my short videos have at least 1.5k views in just 6 hours. All of my short videos. Meanwhile, before a month, I can get up to 1 million views on that video. So if this video is helpful for you, please click that subscribe button and like and share. Thank you.